This factory is almost 100% automatic, right? There are only robots working, manufacturing all.
And what I simply do is use my WeChat payment to pay for it.
Yeah. I don't know if you ever had the chance to come to a factory here in China. It's my very first time and I'm really impressed. It's like in the movie, it's like I always thought, like this machine taking one piece to the other and they start assembling all the products. It's just like on the TV, it's unbelievable. Like this factory is almost 100% automatic, right? There are only robots working, manufacturing all these products and assembling them. This is just unbelievable. This is really cool. My attention since I was a little kid. How did these huge factories work? Now in one of them, and I still cannot believe, like seeing all these robots actually doing all the job. Years ago, it was us, it was human beings who were assembling things and building up things. Now, we're being replaced by robots. Like really, you can see over there behind me, there are like tens and tens of robots actually doing the job for the people. So they just assembling a thing with extremely high precision, with a high efficiency, so they do a better job than us. That is really interesting to see, and I think here in China there are many huge factories like this using the latest technologies to create and make high quality products.
So right now I'm here in this factory. It's called Lexy. They make household appliances, and I'm going to purchase right now a coffee that you use the WeChat or the Alipay to purchase. So what you have to do is simply put your cup. The cups are put in the side. You just put the cup here and then simply choose from which style of coffee you want to have. So I would like to have perhaps a coffee with milk, and what I simply do is use my WeChat payment to pay for it. So it's very simple, very convenient, and super fast, of course. Like everything right now here in China, it's made or paid using WeChat payments and Alipay, and it's very simple and very easy to use. Of course, convenient and safe. So I simply put my password and pay, and there it is. So now the machine is making the coffee that I just paid through my phone. No cash needed, no extra person needed to prepare, just the machine itself. You could say it's like a robot, and it's making the coffee for you in this machine. Freshly brewed coffee with milk, that I really need right now because it's afternoon time and this is a time where you get a little bit lazy, so you need an extra energy and sugar in your body to act in a better way. I believe this is a very awesome technology, especially because of the fact that you do everything through the machine. You don't need to go anywhere else to pay for the coffee, you don't need to use the cash. You simply scan a QR code and the machine itself will recognize the payment because of course it works through internet, and then it will quickly start making a coffee for you. A freshly brewed coffee from a vending machine that works with electronic payment. And there it is, my friend. It's a delicious coffee from this machine that I need right now. I will add of course some sugar because coffee needs to have sugar, and that will be it.
Now we're talking about this kind of exhibition. This is a place where they displaying the different kind of technologies that the enterprises in this technology park are subscribed for. I love these LED screens and all the inventions and products that they are displaying here. They have some specific task for something absolutely useful on our daily life. I'll show you the different invention, products and machines that they are displaying in this exhibition hall.
Folks, I'm gonna be wandering around nice and beautiful places here in China and documenting about it. I will also be Instagramming my day-to-day and my trips in this awesome country. Feel free to follow me and leave your comments and impressions over there about life in China. I will leave the link to my account in the description down below. Remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you don't miss any of my follow-up stories about what's going on in this part of the world. If you think there might be someone else interested in these kind of videos, please consider sharing. My name is Rafael, thanks for watching and stay safe until next time.